and welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. Goa government appoints controversial alleged business lobbyist as environment expert on mining committee. KP Nayati had to resign from MOEF committee following objection from environmentalists. Pav to cost 2 rupees 50 paise, but the size to become smaller. Bigger pav at 5 rupees, decide bakers. Meat of deer, locally known as Meru, seized at Asnora. 7 kg meat was seized from a house. Weapons and trap also recovered. Deen Dayal Bhavan Hall in Bichuli catches fire. Saraswati Shishu Vatika children on the second floor evacuated immediately. And Sports Journalists Association of Goa's Intermedia Indoor Sports Meet kicks off at Kampala. And now the news in detail. The committee appointed by the state government to probe into mining illegalities is already attracting flack. State government has appointed KP Nayati as environment expert on the committee, who had to resign from the Union Environment Ministry's Forest Advisory Committee for his alleged links with business lobbies. Jayanti Natarajan had accepted his resignation following pressure from around 80 environmentalists. Khandeparkar committee appointed to probe into illegal mining in Goa is already mired in controversy. KP Nayati, who was appointed as the environment expert on the committee, had to resign from Forest Advisory Committee of the MOEF in the last week of August. Why Nayati resigned? Environmentalists objected to his appointment. Alleged links of Nayati with business lobbies. Unfit to be on Forest Advisory Committee. Committee gives forest clearance to projects. Jayanti Natarajan had accepted the resignation. Absence of noted personalities from Goa on the committee might also give rise to another tussle. The persons on the Khandeparkar committee are KP Nayati, environment expert; Tapan Chakrabarti, former director, NEERI; Dr. Pramod Pathak, M.Tech, IIT Mumbai; V.B. Prabhu Vellekar, Principal Secretary, Mines, Member Secretary. Union government had appointed the Forest Advisory Committee on 3rd August. Appointment of Nayati on the committee immediately received criticism. Following a petition by environmentalists to Union MOEF Minister Jayanti Natarajan, Nayati submitted his resignation. He claimed that all allegations against him are false, but his appointment on the state committee is seen as another spark of controversy between the state and the centre. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. Bread price will not change, but definitely size of the bread will be smaller. Bakers are already ready to carry a longer bread costing 5 rupees. The 5 rupees bread will be bigger as compared to the size of lower price bread. It will now depend on the people which bread to buy. This decision of the bakers will be implemented after a meeting with Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Till 8th October, the price of pav will remain the same, that is 2.50 paise.
आयचे एक मीटिंग जावन एमर्जन्सी प्राइस वर डिस्कशन जालां पूण अजून आमी ताजे थाराव कांय घेवंक ना. हे आमी CM मेंबरान वचून सगळे आमी कितें आहा पळय तितले पॉयंट्स घालतले आनी त्या उपरांत मागीर आमी 8 तारखेर डिसिजन दितली फायनल कितें पळय तें.
Bakers have decided bread price static, size conditional. Bread rupees 2.50 paise, smaller in size. Bread rupees 5, bigger in size, bakers to prepare both type of breads. People may buy pav of their choice. Implementation after consulting the CM.
बाब आज थोडे कडेन पोदेरांनी 3 रुपयांनी पाव घातले. तुम्ही रेट वाडयला?
ना रे बाबा, आम्ही कांयच वाडोवना आनी ते लोकांनी केले ते आमकां कांयच खबर ना आज पासून. हालीं आमच्या हांगा येयले म्हणटा विचारता बाबा तुमचे पाव बारीक जाले कित्याक लागून तें विचारना. हालीं तुमी बारीक बारीक म्हणटा पूण बारीक म्हणचे कितें बाबा विचारपा जाय न्हू बाबा कित्याक लागून बारीक केले ते. आं आतां एका साकाचे 700 रुपया वाडले पूण आमी 700 रुपया खंयच्यान हें करपाचें काडपाचें. म्हाजे मतीन कितें हितून कितें आहा म्हजे विचार. आतां एक 4 रुपयांनी म्हणलेलो तो 4 रुपयान कसो करपाक नाका. फकत 3 रुपया केले पुरो न्हू. 3 रुपयांनी वाडून एक 8 आणे वाडोवपाचे. हॉटेलकारांक एक 250 रुपया दिवपाचे ओडिशांनी आनी तेमी 3 रुपयांनी विकपाचो. आं आमी इतले मिनट करून आमकां हें मेवना. तांकां 200 घालून ते 3 रुपयांनी विकता पाव.
A senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar. Meat of deer, locally known as meru, was seized at Asnora on Thursday. Keri range officers acted on a tip-off. 7 kgs meat was seized from a house in Asnora. Francis John Vaz has been detained by the officials. Weapons and trap has also been recovered from his house. Francis Vaz will be produced before the JMFC in Mafsa for remand on Friday.
He is Francis John Vaz. Deer's meat was seized from a refrigerator in his house. The meat is weighing about 7 kgs. Not just this, weapons and an animal trap was also recovered from his house. Range officer from Keri on a tip-off from Amrut Singh, a member of Animal Rescue Squad, trapped Francis Vaz. He is also the punch member of Asnora.
आज हांगासर अस्नोडा त्या घरान जो फ्रांसीस वाज म्हणून आसा हांगालो पंच तेजे कडेन फ्रिजान हो मांस जे आसा सांबराचे ते हांगा सीज केलेले आसा. आमकां इन्फॉर्मेशन येयलें की हो मनीस जो आसा तो भायल्यांच्यान जे महाराष्ट्रांतल्यान जे कत्तल केले वयता जनावरांची थंयच्यान मांस आसा ते वेगवेगळे मांस सोंश्याचे आसा मागीर सांबर तशेंच रानडुकर हे सगळ्यांचे मांस जे आसा ते सप्लाय करता व्हड प्रमाणात आनी ताका लागून जशें इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळ्ळ्या बरोबर आयज दनपारां आमी ताका कॉन्टॅक्ट केलो तेजो कॉन्टॅक्ट नंबरा वयल्यान आनी थोडे मांस आमकां जाय म्हणून आमचो मनीस त्या जाग्यार धाडलो. जाल्यार तेणी थोडे मांस जे आहा ते घेवन येयला आनी त्याच वेळाचेर आमी एज पर आमचे प्लान आउटाच्या हितू प्लाना प्रमाणे फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटाचे जे केरी रेंजचे जे आसा तांकां फॉरेस्टाचे जे ऑफिशल्स आहा तेंच्यांनी रेड मारून तेजे कडेन जवळ जवळ 7.5 किलो मांस जे आसा ते अराउंड 7 किलो मांस जे आहा ते सीज केलेले आहा.
Francis Vaz will be produced before JMFC in Mapsa on Friday for remand. Deer is a protected wild animal under Schedule 1. The offender is liable for a 6 years imprisonment. Vaz says somebody from Maharashtra had supplied this white meat, uses trap and weapons to catch local pigs.
खंयच्यान हाडला तुवें?
म्हाका बेडशेर हांवें हाडूंक ना म्हाका बेडशेर घेवन येयला ते हांवें घेतला.
कोणी ते?
तो रॉनी म्हणून भुरगो.
तुका असो रेगुलरली दीत आसता तो केन्ना?
पयले रावन दाखयता.
सदीत दिता?
ना सदीत केन्ना.
केन्ना हेच्या पयलीं दिला केन्ना?
हेच्या पयले एक फावट दिल्ले हाडून.
A reporter Uday Parab for Prudent.
Deen Dayal Bhavan Hall in Bicholi caught fire on Thursday. Third floor of the building got engulfed in fire. Saraswati Shishu Vatika children on the second floor were evacuated immediately and a major tragedy was averted. The fire brigade personnel immediately extinguished the fire. The losses estimated to around 50,000 rupees as claimed by the Bhavan authorities. No casualty has been reported.
Have a look at the Deen Dayal Bhavan. The third floor of the building got engulfed in fire. Short circuit is suspected to be the reason. The smoke covered the second floor of the building. The second floor is housing children studying at Saraswati Shishu Vatika. Students were immediately evacuated from the building. No casualties have been reported. The vice chairman of Deen Dayal Bhavan claims a loss worth around 50,000.
फायर ब्रिगेड आणि आमचो स्टाफ मिळून रोखडोच तो आटोक्यात हाडलेलो आसा.
कित्याक उजो लागलो आतां?
एक्चुअली चौकशी करप चालू आसा पूण आमकां पयल्या जे हातून इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळ्ळा तातूंत दिसता की शॉर्ट सर्कीट जाला आसूं शकता म्हणून.
आनी शिशु वाटिकेन जी भुरगीं आसली
तांकां आमी सगळ्यान पयलीं तेंच्या भुरग्यांक थंयसून हिराबाई जो हॉल आसा न्हय थंय सगळ्या भुरग्यांक पयलीं व्हेली सो तांकां कोणाक डॅमेज जाली ना. पयलीं जेन्ना कळ्ळे बरोबर आमची शिशु वाटिका चलयता त्या भुरग्यांक आमी शिफ्ट केली.
आम्ही भितर गेले पयलीं काम आमी केले की जितलो धुंवर भितर भरलेलो ते खिडकी उबे करपाचें काम हांवें केलें कळ्ळें न्ही त्या कारणान तो धुंवर सगळो गेलो आनी तशें मोडली लुकसाण काय ना एक धुंवरा खातीर तो खूब बदल जालो तो.
Reporter Uday Parab for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.